Right now. Get the bird off my bed, please.
It opened its eyes, and I got
Yo,
scared.
get this bird off my bed now.
It opened its eyes.
It's okay.
Destiny.
Look, it makes worms.
Destiny, I don't have worms.
Can we please go find some?
Destiny, please go take these birds back and wash your hands immediately.
A singular bird.
There's something on your shirt. Destiny, you have bird droppings on your shoulder or something.
Ew.
Yeah, go take the bird back.
Okay.
So Zion, you help get this bird too?
He's the one who caught
Destiny.
Huh?
Destiny.
Mom, do you like the bird?
Destiny. Go give the bird to Micaiah.
Oh my God, can I go give it to her right now?
Destiny.
Sister, the
Mom.
bird opened its eyes. I got scared, so I lightly put it on the bed, and Mom jumped up.
No, you didn't lightly put it on the bed, Destiny. You threw the bird on my
It
bed.
needs a newborn hat and a
No,
newborn
it didn't.
swallow.
I went boom.
Destiny, we absolutely will not wrap this bird up in swaddling clothes.
Oh my God.
Destiny, Destiny, take your bird.
It needs a bath.
Destiny.
Can this be the newborn wraps?
Oh my
Please?
God. Destiny.
Oh, it's a girl.
How do you know it's a girl, Destiny?
Because it doesn't have anything sticking out.
Destiny, Destiny, birds don't have a penis.
So
You checking?
it's a girl.
How do you know it's a girl?
Because I checked. Mom, it needs a bath.
Destiny.
Mom, I think there was eggs. I forgot to go double check. Oh
Destiny.
My goodness. Mom, I'm going to name it Prada.
Destiny, now it's not safe for us to go outdoors.
The mother doesn't care. She was just sitting on the bed laughing at me. I meant sitting on the tree laughing at me.
Come here.
So you're saying this bird has a deadbeat mom?
The mom doesn't care. I already tried to talk to it.
See, Trinity, you're scared of it, so why do you keep messing with it?
I'm always scared when it opens
It's
its
just
mouth.
yawning.
Destiny, this bird is going to do something to you.
It's not. I already tried to touch the mama bear and she flew away from me. So that means she doesn't care. Because she was a single mom and she really needed help. So I was going to help her.
So now you're father of birds.
No, I'm the second mother.
Destiny,
Aw.
we don't have bird seeds. We don't have a bird cage. We don't have a bird anything. And you're driving the dogs crazy. Please take the bird back home.
Mom already messed up their nest. It's too late now.
We'll build them another.
I need straw and stuff.
Yes.
Oh my God. Can we go somewhere and go get a birdhouse for him, please?
Absolutely not.
Please, we're gonna name the bird Prada.
Destiny, take the bird to Stanleyville.
No, because Micaiah killed the bird.
Wait,
No, Micaiah didn't kill the bird. The bird killed himself.
Mom. Oh my God. I'm gonna go find 2 water bottle caps and put grass and water in the oven.
Destiny, birds don't eat grass.
Oh.